Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Apple AirPods 4 product from Apple and I'm going to tell you how to fix that you can't reset your headphones. So the issue is that you have to open the case lid without touching the sun sensor, which is the touch sensor, which is over here. As you can see, I am opening right now, and now we have to make sure that you have both AirPods inside our case. As you can see, here we have, and now we have to hold our headphones like that, probably, and double tap 3 times on our touch sensor over here. As you can see, it doesn't work. Until we don't hear our beep, we can't do this again. We have to close the case and open it back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. As you can see, now it worked. We mustn't touch the touch sensor, which is over here, before doing a hard reset. It's a little bit strange, I know, but it works like that. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.